guys, I'm here with a new extension. It's Keyframe Manager. As you can see, it's the environment of our extension. It's about to manage our keyframes very better. Okay, I choose this layer and refresh my index. As you can see, all of the keyframes that I have here are here. Okay, in here we have the index and the name layer as same as here, and now the keyframes show me is about position key. As you can see here, I can change it to scale. Okay, and I back to position. Okay, in here we have a search option. I can search between all of my keyframes based on ease, value, and speed. Okay, I now wanna search 88 to 50. I split them with this sign. Okay, now I search. As you can see, all of the keyframes have one of these are shown to me and selected. Okay, and in here we have another option. It's called replace. We can replace the ease that we want. For instance, I replace it to 80. As you see, it's worked very well, and all of them change it to 80. And I can search around of between two number. For instance, I search here, for instance 10 to 100. As you can see, all of the keyframes between 10 and 100 based on ease are shown to me. Okay, that was it. Okay, the next option is this. When I turn on this button, okay, now first I select a key and then turn on this. As you can see, wherever I click a keyframe, the timeline is changed as same as that. The next are refresh and setting that I tell you later. Okay, in here you can select any keyframes, and with holding shift you can select multi layers, and with control you can select it too. Okay, in here you can change your type of the keyframe. For example, I want to be ease. As you can see, it changed it to ease. In here we have a time of our keyframe that located on our timeline. As you can see, it's on 12 frame, and it's here based on the frames. And also you can change it. For instance, I change it to 22 frame. As you can see, it's changed. And in here you can see the space between next keyframe and the previous keyframe. As you can see, it's like this. Okay, and in here the amount of the keyframe as same as here. Okay, now you can change it also in here. For instance, I change it to, as you can see, it changed in here, but I replace it. And in here you have the accessibility to the ease of your keyframe, and you can change it also. For example, 53, and I hit OK. As you can see, it changed very well. And in here you can move your layer of keyframe to down and up. As you can see, it changed with the next one, and I change it to just like this. And you can delete the keyframe in here. One of the most important option is copying. You can copy. For instance, I want copy this ease to my next keyframes. I hit on copy, and for my last keyframe I can paste the value, paste the ease, and paste all of them. I hit that. As you can see, it changed very well. I show you in here. And also you can choose a multi-layer with holding Alt and copy. As you can see, the number of copying and change it to 2. And I want to paste on this keyframe. As you can see, it's worked very well. Just like that. That's same as past. And also you can have your own ease in here. For example, my favorite is 50/50. I can choose this layer and paste on it. As you can see, it changed, and you can change your favorite on settings. Okay, and now it turns to settings. Okay, I go to the settings. I can here, you can delete the section you want. For example, I don't want a K-move on my extension, and I turn off it, apply. Okay, as you can see, the move part are gone. Okay, that was our extension. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very well.